Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious bourbon biscuit cake. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of bourbon biscuits, 100 grams of unsalted butter, and 50 grams of good quality cocoa powder. These simple components form the foundation of our no-bake treat. Make sure everything is ready before we begin the preparation steps for a smooth process. Now, let's prepare the base. Take your 200 grams of bourbon biscuits and crush them thoroughly. A food processor works best for fine crumbs, but a rolling pin and a bag are also effective. Next, gently melt 100 grams of unsalted butter. Once melted, combine it with the crushed biscuits and 50 grams of cocoa powder, mixing until well incorporated. This creates our rich, chocolatey foundation. With the base mixture ready, it's time to assemble. Firmly press the entire mixture into a greased 8-inch cake tin, ensuring an even layer. Use the back of a spoon or your fingers to compact it well. Then, place the tin in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the base to set. While it chills, you can prepare a delicious chocolate ganache or a simple glaze for the top. Finally, for the finishing touches, once your biscuit base is thoroughly chilled, pour the prepared ganache evenly over the top, spreading it smoothly. For extra flair, you can decorate with a few extra crushed bourbon biscuits or some elegant chocolate shavings. Return the cake to the refrigerator for another 2 to 3 hours to ensure the ganache sets perfectly. Then, slice and enjoy your homemade bourbon biscuit cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.